Okay, this is the pre-shape. So we have our dough. It's doubled. It's risen. It's nice and bubbly. Bubbly on top. I'm going to take my scraper, okay, and I'm going to spray it with a little bit of water. And I'm going to easily, gently dump the dough out. See how it's oozing out and it's all very wide. There's not too much dough in there, so I actually don't need that scraper. So I'm going to put these two things to the side. Now you can see what this looks like. It looks like that. Okay, it's a big blob. I am now going to use the bench scraper. I'm going to divide this into two pieces of dough. Sorry about that adjustment. And then I'm going to do a pre-shape. I'm going to roll these two sections into like a pre-loaf. So I'm going to carefully, quickly, and decisively cut that apart, and I'm spreading it apart because it wants to stick together. So I'm doing a cutting motion. Now this dough is really sticky, okay? So don't be discouraged. You're going to just want to work quickly. And you're going to fold it up. You're going to use your scraper to help you. Fold it in half like a letter, and then fold the other side in half like a letter. Okay, this is why I use so much flour. I'm going to use a little bit more flour. And now I'm going to do like a jelly roll. Okay, so I'm going to take my dough, I'm going to fold it into thirds this way, and fold it into thirds this way. Okay, and then I'm going to just let it sit like that on the board. Okay, it's not really formally shaped, it's just like gathered. So now I'm going to do the same thing over here. I'm going to use my spatula, my scraper, to fold up half away from me into a letter. Fold that side a half away from me or towards me, and now I'm turning it. So I'm going to fold it in the opposite direction. One side might be bigger than the other in terms of the volume of dough, and that's fine. So now I'm rolling it onto itself. Okay, so here's what you have. You've got your two sides sitting. I meant to be up, actually, this way. So you want seam side up. And now it's just two loaves just sitting on the board. We're going to count 20 minutes out. Then we're going to put them into their baskets.